Hi viewers, this is Mirror Bakers and I'm going to show you how to bake a 1.5 orange cake. And we have some ingredients here. We have eggs and they are 7. The flour 700 grams. We have milk 500 grams. 2 lemons. Orange flavor. First, we start mixing margarine and the sugar, and this is how I'm going to do it. Welcome. Now, as you can see, our mixture is ready to be put other items. Now you put lemons, you mix with a wooden spoon. Then after that, you beat your eggs one after the other. Then we add our eggs to the mixture like this. Now you put our orange flavor. You start with flour and you have to sieve your flour. That will be the cake. Put milk, pour in the flour from one direction to the other. Our mixer is ready, as you can see. Now we put in our baking tins, this and this. This one I had prepared before by smearing some oil and dusting with some flour together with this. Now you put our mixer here, 1 kg. Here, half kg. This is our preheated oven, and we put our mixture there, and then we wait for 1.5 hours. Then we will be back.